So hello, today we're taking a look at a inner tube tire patch kit. They sell this type of kit here at some dollar stores. I bought this at Walmart. Walmart, not Walmart. It's practically the same. Yeah, we got some warnings on the back and a raised little triangle. Because this stuff contains rubber cement, which contains silane, which is very bad for you. Okay. This is the contents. We got the rubber cement. We got some patches. And folded in here, we got a manual, which is very simple. You are supposed to rough the part up, put the rubber cement on, wait a few minutes, wait 3 minutes, and yeah, then you peel off the backing of the patch and put it on. And the more you put it on, the harder you better. Yeah, this is your little piece of sandpaper. They give you 4 round patches and 1 larger one. I usually just cut them up and use more of them, but nowadays I have a tool to make my own. I will show this in a video. Yeah, furthermore, there is a little rubber hose. This little rubber hose is quite important if you have a vintage bike cycle like me, because this is a spare part for a very old-fashioned type of bike valves. So yeah, all we get in here is, we get this little box, this part, sandpaper, rubber cement, we got a large patch and 4 small ones. Yeah, the price is $2. Yeah. So, what is my opinion about this? Well, I just did buy this one again because I used the other one completely up, including the rubber cement. I mean, this lasts far longer than the 5 patches you get here. So, because I make my own patches, I'm able to use them up. Yeah, it works fine. And if you have a bike, I can recommend you to pick one of them up. If you have the modern type of valves, this little rubber hose won't be of much use for you, but if you're like me and you have a pre-war bike, then this will become very handy. Yeah, hope you've enjoyed this little video about a tire patch kit you can buy for $2, and now you know what's in it and how to use it. See you in the next video.